Let's get together and feel all right is the theme for our 2016 Emancipation and Independence celebrations, as Jamaica marks its 54th year of independence and 182 years since emancipation. The use of that theme from Bob Marley's One Love was made possible with permission from the Bob Marley Foundation. At the recent launch, Culture Minister Olivia Grange spoke to the theme's relevance.
This is a call to us and a reminder of one of the key factors in our emancipation and independence. That factor being unity and togetherness, putting our hands and hearts together as we all continue to build Jamaica, Jamaica land we love. The theme also calls us to celebrate and appreciate who we are and our accomplishments. We have proven to the world that we are a nation with talent, a nation that has what it takes to succeed and be prosperous.
So from Sunday, July 31 to Saturday, August 6, the island will be engulfed in a series of events and activities to celebrate our emancipation and independence. These are largely being executed by the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, JCDC, an agency of the Culture Ministry.
The celebrations this year provides a platform for Jamaicans to feel good about themselves and to feel good about our country. This platform not only provides activities that are celebratory and entertaining, but which also allow for contemplation, dialogue, and commemoration. The JCDC will ensure that all planned events and activities are characterized by our core values, which gives the acronym EPIC. That is excellence, professionalism, integrity, and creativity.
Some of the epic events in store.
The Jamaica 54 celebrations will span the length and breadth of the island and will include church services, parish vigils, flag-raising ceremonies, festival bandwagons or festival roadshows, public forum, street dances, and independence concerts.
Government and private institutions can register their events with the JCDC.
These events will be accredited or endorsed as independence celebrations events and will benefit from promotion through listings on the promotional websites of the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, the JCDC, the JTB, Jamaica Tourist Board, the Jamaica Information Service, and other entities.
Highly anticipated staples will make their return, such as the Emancipation Vigil in Civil St. Anne on July 31. The Independence Village will again be set up at the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center in Kingston. So too the Auntie Roach Literary Festival and Mellow-Go-Round. And of course, Grand Gala returns to the National Arena on August 6. There will also be a number of new events, including Reggae to Rio, to be celebrated on August 5 as we look forward to our athletes' Olympic success in Rio, Brazil. Leading up to August 6, the major JCDC festival events will take the spotlight.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Monique Patrice Robb, and I proudly represent the parish of St. Mary.
I'm banking in Jesus, bank of life, bank of Jehovah, bank of Christ, banking in the Lord and everything is alright. Number one, trust it, bank when everything twice.
Wanna catch the spirit yet? Maybe the fashion will bring it alive. This year's theme is Wear It in Gold and Stripe It Bold. The celebratory plans will only come to light due to the support of sponsors like the Chase Fund.
I want to say that we understand the value and we also understand the potential of our cultural heritage to national development, and wisely we allocate resources to achieve these outcomes.
Remember, the celebrations are for everyone, so be sure to take part in the many competitions that have been planned, including window dressing for public and private sector entities, media agencies that best showcase the spirit of independence, advertising agencies that best utilize the independence theme in their promotional campaigns, parish councils with the best decorated towns for independence, the best diaspora celebration, and more. For more details on all these or to register your events for the 2016 Emancipation and Independence celebrations, contact the JCDC at 926-5726-9 and keep connected with them on Facebook and Twitter at JCDC Jamaica. Let's get together and feel all right.
Every community, every corner, every street, every lane, every nook and cranny, as we'll say, of the island, and of course, those in the diaspora are expected to come alive and celebrate together as proud Jamaicans.
Though the road was rocky and the hills were steep, still we survive.